Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we can see that gold is standing at 2750 and trying to break the previous high and continue the upside. Sadly, there is no sign of retracement yet, both fundamentally and technically. Things are crazy right now. So, my dear friends, if you have any ongoing buy on the chart of gold, yes, you can hold your buy position as long as gold is trading above 2730. A correction is due. Obviously, a correction will come at one point, but the problem is nobody knows when the correction is about to come or from where it will come. Okay, so hold your buy position as a positional buyer or a swing trader. Okay, as long as gold is trading above 2730. If a drop comes during the day or tomorrow, you can exit below 2730. So as long as gold is trading above 2730 level, we can expect the market to be bullish. And obviously, we need a solid fundamental reason for a trend reversal, which we don't have right now. But obviously, there will be a technical correction at least at one point. If that comes, then obviously there will be a good amount of correction. So you can exit from your buys. Okay, but right now, things are a little crazy on the chart of gold. Okay, we can see there is no sign of retracement. Okay, I have marked few levels here. So let's try to understand these levels one by market is dynamic and market is ever changing. So timely market updates and analysis can be very useful or crucial for traders. So Dotbee can be the perfect solution. We have discussed about Dotbee in our previous videos also, how Dotbee helps us with the technical analysis from time to time. You just need to select your preferred pair from here and your preferred time frame, and you will market decision. Using Dotbee is very easy. You can just click here, open the app, and my dear friend, you can enjoy your chart and live market analysis at the same time. Isn't it awesome? Feel free to check out Dotbee. The link is in the description. My dear friends, as I was saying, if you have already a buy on the chart of gold, then obviously you can continue and hold your positional and swing buy above 2730. But the thing is that, okay, holding a buy right now is also quite risky. And obviously taking a sell in this uptrend market or bullish market is also very risky. Okay, because if we take a sell, we will be going against the trend of the market. If we take a buy, okay, market has already given a huge move without any proper correction. So at any point, a correction may come. So gold traders, do not take big loss, do not take big risk right now. Try to risk only 1%, 1.5% of the capital only. Because if a big drop comes, a correction comes, then things will be very scary. Because see, if we look at the daily chart of gold, we can see when market started the craziness, crazy upside, and whenever retracement came, okay, the retracement was of around $130, mean 1300 pips, 13 to 1400 pips retracement, these retracement. So if a correction comes on the chart of gold, okay, it will not be a trend reversal because still no fundamentals here, but it may be a correction like this of 1312 so 1300 pips, $130, and after that market may continue the upside again. So if you are positional trader, swing trader looking for a fresh position, then wait for the market to give us a proper correction. Then you will get a very good entry price and then you can hold your buy again. But right now market is standing at the highest level, so we need to wait for a proper retracement. Okay. So you can see here today I have marked zones here. So if you are a position trader, swing trader, then obviously the best level to go for buy will be around 2650 to 2640. This area will be a good level for all of us to take a buy and sit on the buy again, because it will just be a technical correction. After that, gold will try to continue the upside again. Okay, so after the technical correction, gold will be upside again, because without any strong, solid fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal for the next couple of weeks. No, just a technical correction. So swing traders, position traders can look for a buy around this particular area. Okay, and if you want to look at a market sentiment, then you can see gold is just lower on likely technical correction. So market is also okay to some extent expecting a technical correction right now. But the problem is that the level of 265040 is far away from the current market price. So we need to look at the immediate levels. Okay, so today or tomorrow, if gold shows big red candles and starts coming down, then we can look for a buy around 2700 to 2694 area. These are the two levels where we can look for a buy as a swing trader as well as a day trader if market takes support around this area. If the correction is not very strong, then obviously market will not be able to go to 2650 area. Okay, so at that point, we can look for a buy on 2700, 2694 area. Okay, and you can see here, I have mentioned medium risk trading zone. Okay, why medium risk? Because if market falls also, at least it will be a $50 correction. It's good, not bad. Okay, so this is our medium risk trading zone because we will be placing our buy around the psychological level round number, plus we have the 200 moving average also coming up. Okay, and you can see here the immediate trading opportunities that are mentioned here are high risk. Obviously they are high risk. I do not recommend any sell right now because right now the market is still bullish. During the US session, if you see market starts falling, then you can obviously take a sell, follow the trend of the market. But at this moment, we do not have any resistance. I don't see any selling opportunity. So I will just recommend buy positions only. So where can we look for buy position? The first level on the chart of gold is around 2732. Then we have second level to look for buy around 2727.50. Okay, these are two levels. And third level is around 2716 to 2714. Okay, these are the three levels on the chart of gold where we can look for buy during the day. But keep this in mind, these are for day traders only and these are high risk levels. Okay, not for swing traders, not for position traders, because if a big correction comes, market will just crush every level and market will start falling. So during the day, if the volume of the market, volatility of the market remains like this, मतलब अगर market ऐसे ही slow रहा, then you can expect the market to take support around these areas. Okay, 271614 area because market bounced from this area previously, and 27272732 area because we are using FIBO here and we can see we have FIBO retracement area. And right now we can see the market is trying to go up. So yes, if you want to take a buy, you can go for a buy. But after 40-50 pips, okay, try to book partial profit or try to exit because after some time market will be coming down again. Okay, and during the day, okay, if market takes support around 2750 area, then we can look for a buy again around this area because the previous resistance will be working as the new support. 2750. When market will take support, then you can look for a buy position as a day trader only, and this is also high risk trading opportunity. Okay, so whatever we will be doing here are all high risk, not for day traders or swing traders. So let me wrap it up, my dear friends. So overall, the market is still bullish. There is no doubt about it, but things are very crazy right now. Market has given a huge move without a proper correction. So a correction should come very soon. It will just be a correction, not a trend reversal. So after a big drop, we can expect the market to continue the overall upside again. So if you are a positional trader or swing trader, then yes, it will be better for you to buy at retracement. It will be best level, okay, around 2640 2650 area if market comes, because we have seen the daily chart. Whenever a correction came, it was a correction of 120 to 130 dollars correction, 13 to 1400 pips correction. So here we can expect the market to get some support. If market takes support, positional traders and swing traders can look for a buy around this area. And if you already have a buy on the chart of gold, continue as long as gold is trading above 2730 area. Clear? Now the problem is that these levels are far away. So during the day, if market comes down, okay, if market comes down, then we have medium risk trading opportunities around 2700 2694 area. So if market is not very crazy bearish, market is trying to take support around 2700 area, we can look for a support. On the other hand, okay, if market remains like this, then obviously 2700, 2694 are far away. So in that case, okay, market will not go to these levels, and we will have to look for high risk trade opportunities only. High risk trade opportunities means we can look for a buy around 2732, 2727 or 271614 area. Okay, so if size of the candles remain like this, then you can expect the market to take support, but these are high risk. So my dear friend, doesn't matter what kind of a trader you are, swing trader, position trader, day trader, do not go for big lots. Do not risk more than 1% of the capital, because right now market is in anything may happen mode, crazy mode. Okay, and already market is going for a breakout. If you have taken a buy at breakout, good. After 40-50 pips, if market comes down, try to exit. Later on, okay, later on you can expect the market to take support around 2750, when the previous resistance will be working as support. If it does, we can look for a buy around this area again. And during the day, okay, as per expectation, if a drop comes, big candles, okay, red candles, okay, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market. If you're a day trader, you can take a sell. If you're a positional trader, swing trader, avoid the sell. Okay. So complicated video. Sorry, my dear friend. Okay. I don't want to make complicated videos, but sometimes the market is complicated. Okay. So I'm also helpless. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard earned money and capital.